Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're doing great. So a client came in with a complaint that his laptop was running very slow. It was a HP 640 G1. We upgraded it to an SSD. Upon checking, the health of the hard drive was very low and the battery too was in bad condition. There was already an old battery that we replaced, and it was no longer shutting down when you unplug it. And I did tell the client on how to maintain it. Seems like he was leaving it in power the entire day and the entire night or something like that. We also had a problem with Wi-Fi. We also swapped the Wi-Fi module with a new one, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.